Good morning. Hey, Moomy Dooby. Did you sleep good?
He put his book down. How much does he?
A ghoulish ghost. Woo!
You do it. You gotta lay down.
Hey, Mamma. Hey, Bubba. Here's Mila. How are you doing this morning, little lady? Hey. You hit your head. You hit your head. Alright. Hey, good morning. What's up? My name's Hunter. That was my wife, Rebecca. So Montgomery and the twins, Mila and Malachi. If this is your first time watching, thanks for clicking this video. Today's a big day for us. We got one big thing. I found my first vending machine location spot, so I'm going to drop it off today. But first, I have an online class at 12. So I'm prepping the vending machine, making sure everything's ready to go. And then I have my class at 12. We do like a quiz, do that, get done around 1 or so. And then after that, I'm going to pick up the trailer and then go drop off the snack vending machine. Exciting day. Are you excited? Moon's coming. There's a dookie! There's a dookie too!
I have his yogurt in the fridge.
Did you sleep good?
Have your breakfast.
Yogurt with Cheerios and blueberries. Mmm.
You need help? You want some? Do you want to do it? Okay, I'll do it. Oh Lord.
You do it.
You're being silly.
Is that pretty good stuff?
You need help.
Mmm.
Where's Daddy?
First stop of the day, we're going to Sam's Club to get all the items. One stipulation with this spot where I'm putting the vending machine, while they haven't had a vending machine there previously, is because nobody would work with them to give them healthy snack alternatives. They didn't want candy because it's a warehouse environment. So they don't want their workers eating Reese cups and throwing up, lifting boxes or whatever. So we're gonna put like Cliff Bar, Quest Chip, Trail Mix, Nutri-Grain, whatever. So we're going to Sam's Club to buy all of our items. Moomy. All right, here's all the stuff we got for the vending machine. Healthy snack options: Skinny Pop, Trail Mix, packs of crackers, bars. We got gum and beef jerky. Let's see what the damage is. Here, Moomy, you carry this one. Take this one to Mommy. It's not hot. I'll get this one. You get those. Come on. It's hot. Okay.
Oh, can you carry this one? You can do it. This one's not as heavy.
Got home from Sam's Club. Martha's up doing some dishes, making lunch. Good job. All right, I finished my online class and the quiz that we had to take. Now I'm going to pick up the trailer from Lowe's. I have access to a bigger trailer, but I'm scared it might tip over. So I rented a smaller 3x5 trailer with a little higher walls on it so the vending machine don't tip over. That would not be good. We got the first vending machine installed. Yeah, that's it. I didn't record too much while I was in there because I was trying to be professional. But, oh, are you all done? We got the first vending machine installed, and that's it. Now we're going to Rebecca's parents for dinner. I don't know if y'all can tell.
It's Mommy. What are you doing? I gotta close this for all the bugs get in. Man, huh, there's like tiny little bugs.
Yeah. Babies.
I have this.
Hey, look at you. Look at you. Oh, my goodness. You want to go to Nana's? Yes. Let's see if we can't make one of them smile. Hey, babies. Do you smile? Do you smile? Do you smile? What about you, Mila Jean? Do you smile? Do you smile?
Hi. Oh, you're a sweet girl.
Oh, she smiles. Do you smile?
Meow meow. Hi. Meow meow. Look at Mommy. Hey. Handsome boy. I love you. What's he doing?
Not you. She didn't call you handsome. Yes, she did.
Hey. Hey, Malachi. Hey, Malachi. Monty, stop it. He's trying to put my necklace in my mouth.
We always record at the same stop sign.
Do we?
All right, vending machine done. School done. We're heading to Rebecca's parents to eat dinner.
Got all the children. And this guy. Oh, you kind of can't see him.
I'm so excited about the vending machine. I got 4 vending machines and I bought those like a month ago. And I've been calling, messaging people, and I finally found a place for him. And
Not only did he find a place, but we don't have to pay any type of commission to the owner or any type of rent to put the vending machine there. So all the profit is to us.
We're thankful for the time that you guys
That's a beautiful little girl out there.
That's video.
we're headed home to Rebecca's parents. Everybody's very happy right now.
Static.
The ambulance. It's trail mix. Alright, we made it home. Everybody's calm and happy again. You tell everybody bye. Say thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.
I'm sorry. I thought you were going to the other side. She's got a tear.
Alright. Dude. You were always into something. Alright, that's it. I hope you enjoy the video. Peace. Monty, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.